Hello and welcome to our channel, that is Technical Shubham. In this video we are going to learn how to program to input three numbers and display the largest or smallest number. Just to take an example that we have input various numbers just like 10, 20, 50, 5, 2. Our program will directly convert that which is the greatest number in the given numbers. So let's get program it. For programming it, we have to open our Python code editor, that is Virtual Studio Code. We have to create a new file, name it as test7.py. I have named it test7.py because this is my 7th video. Then write our aim, write WRITE program for largest slash smallest number. Smallest number. We have to start our program. So we have to define variables, that is num1 input from user, eval input, enter the first number, after that we have to define another variable, it is num2, just copy it from here and paste it here and change the type, that is second. Define new variable num3, again paste it and change to third number. Then we have to go into apply a if and else statement, and for this we have to use a function if our case is num1 is greater than num2, okay, and num1 is greater than num3, okay. Largest is equals to num1. I explained you that if the user will input the number 1 value is 50 and number second is 25 and third is 5, we already know that the first number is the greatest. Then the code check that is number 1 is greater than 2 and is number 1 is greater than third, okay. When both conditions are satisfied, then the output is largest number is equal to num1. We will define a new variable, sorry, not new variable, new case, that is using with else statement. num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3. For this you print largest is equals to num2. Okay, after that final touch up, else largest is equals to num3. Okay, we have to print our statement. Print the sorry my keyboard is gonna wrong word. The largest number is the largest number is largest. Okay, this is a code. Let's check it. Enter the first number. I will input it here 45. Second number 78. Third number 25. Okay. Wait a second. Error is showing that is NU3 is not defined in line number 8. Let's see what error I have done. Oh, sorry. Here you can see that I have write none new 3. For we have to do a mistake. So recheck our code. And but and put num1, num2. Okay. Here one more mistake is come. Mistake is name error largest in line number 12. 1 second. In line number 12. Oh shit. Largest. Sorry. My typing error. Recheck it. And put the first number 12, second number 58, third number 5. Okay, the largest number is 58. If you want to let's check it out one more time. And put the first number for anything randomly. The largest number is number 3. I hope that you will get it. Thank you.